Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you the best way to fix high ping in FiveM. This is a very annoying problem. I've tested many ways to fix this problem and I'm happy that I have for you the best solutions. So please watch this video till the very end and let's fix this problem. Also subscribe for more tutorials like this one. I love creating tutorials on how you can fix stuff and tutorial in general about softwares, Windows, and pretty much just tutorials. I love creating tutorials, so I really appreciate if you subscribe. And now let's jump right into the video. Make sure you leave your results in the comment section, and now let's start this tutorial. So what you have to do, this is the first method. Head over to cmd command prompt and run command prompt as an administrator. Now click on yes, and here make sure you enter these commands. Now I already entered these commands so many not so many times, but I already entered this command recently and I'm not gonna do it again. But what you have to do is just copy this first command, enter here, the second command, enter here, one by one in this order. This is the first one and this is the last one. Alright, and make sure I'll leave the command description of this video. And once you've done that, once you enter all the commands in the command prompt, then what you have to do is to go to open. So here where you see your open network and internet settings, click on here on your icon where you see internet, click on network, and then click on advanced network settings, and then more network adapter settings, and here click on your network. Click on properties, go to Internet Protocol version 4, and here when you use obtain DNS server address automatically, select use the following DNS server addresses. Here enter 888 and 8844. This is also work for me. Just fixed a lot of the problems that I had with the internet. And now another thing you can do here, you can try to disable and enable. So if this is enabled, your Wi-Fi or your cable, I already turn off now my cable connection. It works, but I just turn it off because I use the Wi-Fi. Just enable, disable, and then enable again. Okay, so you can do it from here as well. You can enable, disable. As you see, it's turn this off, enable, and then disable. And you can also switch, if you have the option to switch from your Wi-Fi to your cable connection or vice versa. And another way excuse me, is also make sure you update your Windows and go to advanced optional updates, and maybe here you have some drivers related to your internet connection. So I hope guys this video helped you. Now you can play the game, now you can have fun and you know, just experience the game without worrying about any other problems. So thank you guys for watching and make sure you subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.